Hey guys, welcome back to HPI Auto. This is Evan. Today going over something kind of different and new. The electric vehicles are now becoming more and more popular with the e-hybrids and the all-electric. And a problem we've been seeing is when we're buying these vehicles from auction or getting them on trade, we go to plug up the charger and it says enter PIN code. Well, what Porsche did was they gave you the option when you bought the car new to put a PIN number in there for the charger. That way, if someone were to steal that charger, they wouldn't be able to charge their vehicle because there's a PIN number in there. Now, for the longest time, we've always been trying to figure out what to do about this situation. And we've called Porsche, no help. We called other places. Nobody really can figure out how to bypass this PIN number. So one night, a couple weeks ago, I kind of sat down and took bits and pieces from across the internet and my own knowledge and came up with a solution that I want to share with you guys today. So that way you can use your charger that comes with your Porsche. Your charger up to your outlet and then you bring your cord over here and plug it into the car like so. And you're going to see on here it says connecting. All right, so now it says, please enter your PIN. Now this is where you think, okay, well, maybe something simple, 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope, wrong. So you need to enter that PIN number in 4 more times. And just put numbers in there. We're just trying to get past this screen. So put some numbers in there. Then you get to this stage right here where it says enter the PUK number, which is going to be your personal unlock key. It's going to give you a timer, and just click that and it'll kind of pause the timer. And then get your phone out, or if you want to write a pen and paper, either way. And you want to find a serial number on here, which is going to be right here. You want to get that number written down or a picture of it. And then with that number, you can call Porsche. Maybe they'll give it to you, maybe not, or call me. And I'll be able to go into our side of the system and get that number. So I'll kind of show you a quick rundown on how I find that number. Now, of course, unless you have a subscription to the PPN, which is Porsche Preferred Network or Partner Network, you won't be able to get this number. But since us as a shop uses that tool daily, I have access to all information that Porsche has access to about the vehicle. So this is the same PPN that Porsche uses. So I'm gonna put the VIN number in here. And it's going to have all the information on the car and all that kind of stuff. But at the top, we're just going to have a thing called charging products. I'm going to go there. I'm going to go with the charger that is right there. Once you get here, it's going to ask for the serial number. Like I said earlier, that's something you're going to have. So you type in the serial number. I'll give you all this information. And it has all these other things. But then on here, you'll see PIN/PUK. So show information. It's on the PIN number that originally the car came with, and then this is going to be your PUK number. So, either myself or Porsche, whoever's doing this for you, can give you that number. And once you get that number, we'll go back out to the charger, we'll type that in and do the next. So once you have that PUK number, you come back to your charger, type it in. Now I was going to say enter a new PIN number. So just put whatever PIN you would like, set PIN. Put the same number in again to confirm the PIN. And then we're going to unplug the car and plug it back up. And now we're charging there, see it's green, and we are good to go. And you'll see on the car where the button to unhook it turns green as well, and it is now charging. Like I said, guys, it's kind of an off-the-wall thing, but it's something that I've incurred multiple times now, and I know other people might have the same issues. These cars are still new to me. It's going to be the norm, so I'm trying to adjust to the times and start to learn these all electric systems and workarounds, stuff like that. So if there's anything else you guys want to know or have questions about, please feel free to comment below. That way, I myself can gain more knowledge about this platform and share it with everybody else going forward. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe.